Hello, my dear apprentices. This is your host, Mr. Magno, and we are looking at lesson 14 problem set. Here are the instructions. Use the coordinate plane below to complete the following tasks. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. Let me just use the box right here. So these are the instructions. And I want you to notice something. I added the numbers because the only numbers that were um, written on this line were the numbers 3, 6, 9. So I wanted to point out that every marking, every hash it's 1. So it is increasing by 1. Do me a favor, make sure you finish this activity here, and then you write number 5 here. That will be number 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you complete that the x-axis. All right, let's read the instructions. Identify the location of P and R. All right, so let's identify the location of P and R. And I'm going to use my line here, and I'm going to use red line. So here's P. So P, if I go from P down to the x-axis, so P will be 6. So then I will write 6 here. What in the world? So I will write, let's see, 6. That will be P. All right, that will be the x. Now let me rewrite the line. So this will be x, and y will be 4. So you can see that will be y. This will be 4. Okay, let me see, 4. All right, so we're gonna write 4 there, and that will be y. All right, let's look at r. R is so that will be 11, because that will be 9, 10, 11, and 12. So R will be, X will be 11, okay? And Y would be across from it. So here will be Y. Y is 6, so we're going to write 6, okay? There you go. So we identified the location of P and R. Now it's telling us here this is a very good information here. Draw a line. The little arrow on the top means draw a line from P to R. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to choose a different color and draw a line from P to R. And there it is. There is the line. Okay. All right. So let's see. Can you go across? Yes. You can. Oh, let me see. That's not good. So that will be, anyways, so that will be the line. Our next information would be plot the following coordinate pairs on the plane. So now we have to plot 6 and 7. So let's, x is 6. So we're going to go, I'm going to use the different color for this one. So x is 6 and y is 7. Let me see, is this thing going to move up? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, 7. So here will be 7. All right, so now we can probably mark right here. That will be the point. And the next one is 11 and 9. So x is 11. X is 11. So 11 would be 9, 10, 11. So that will be x. And 9 will be the next one. So let's draw the point. And now we have 11 and 9. Let me see, is that correct? Yes. Oh, and I forgot to do this line right here. I forgot to go from, to demonstrate that it is coming from there. Okay, right there. Okay, now, so our next instruction is going to say, draw a line, a horizontal line for ST. So that's what the symbol means. Let me just go on it again. It says draw a line. See the line on the top? That means draw a line. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna choose a different color through these two numbers. Okay, do you see that? We have created two parallel lines, a set of parallel lines. Now here's the question, and this is why we are doing this. Circle the relationship between PR and ST. Okay, so the relationship is this right here. Is PR, so PR and ST. So you want another relationship of them. If you can look at it right now, you can see that they are parallel to each other. Those two lines are parallel to each other because the distance from each other is the same from the beginning of the line to the end. So here on our question, it says, circle the relationship between PNR and ST. Okay, so here's the symbol here means perpendicular. So is the line perpendicular or is it parallel? And just like I mentioned to you right now, it is parallel. So there is the answer. Okay. Now you continue. So remember those symbols. If you cannot remember, come back to this video. Give the coordinates of a pair of points, U and V, such as segment U and B, parallel to segment PR. So give the coordinates of plane. So we have to create one line that is, do you see this right here? This is our Q that is parallel. Okay, it says that pair points parallel to, let's see, what is PR. So where is PR? So PR is right here. So we have to build another one that is parallel to that one. And as you notice on our previous problem, the way to build a parallel one is just to go from the same coordinates but 2 points below. For example, here, this will start right here. That will be the first line. So and it meets Y right there, and we will draw the point right there. So that will be a point. And that will be 6 and 2 will be X and Y. So let's write it down. 6 and 2. All right. And the next one will be, again, we're going to go back over here where the other line is so we can make it parallel. So we're going to go 2 below. So right there. So that will be, wait, that's 2. No, that's a little higher. There you go. Now we have it there. And now that's going to meet Y right here. So that will be where the point is. Okay. So now we'll say that X is, it's 9, 10, 11. And the Y is 4, 11 and 4. Let's write it down. 11 and 4. Okay. Now it's asking us to draw the line, the segment. See the line on the top? That means draw the segment. So we're going to do that, and we're going to choose a different color. So here we go. We're going to do a segment from here to here. And now we can see that these are parallel lines. So we completed our task right here. The next one is going to be very similar, so make sure you follow the same steps. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno, that wishes you the best on these math lessons.